Welcome everybody to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're going straight into showcase Falcon Invest. Now this is going to be a quick, strong video, probably showing you a withdrawal and showing you how I'm getting on in this platform. Now this video is courtesy of Crypto Earning Weapon channel. If you have a look here, we're prodding along very nicely. If we can pump up the subscribers, that'll be brilliant. We're at 235 subscribers at the minute. We look to showcase all the DeFi projects that we enjoy and that we're in. Income 15 V2 paying out very nicely at the minute. Let's get down to business with Falcon Invest. Now guys, it must be said, this platform has been churning out results for me very nicely, and everything I get out of this platform is what I use to invest in other platforms. Now this platform has been going for over 190 days now, almost at 200 days. The last time I did a withdrawal was over 6 days ago. If I have a look at, scroll down, we can see my withdrawals just here. I did this one for 60. That was before my previous video, so I have obviously done a fair number of withdrawals. If I go across to withdrawal, go on to Tether because that's what I used. So I did this 60 USDT withdrawal, but I didn't do a video on that, so that was on the 6th. So I've already done 60 and you guys haven't seen that, and I'm doing another 45 today, as you can see. So in a blink of an eye, if you check where my last video was, that's $100 US that's come out of this platform for me very nicely. And make sure you put your code in for obvious reasons. Tap the withdraw button and your application has been sent for processing. So that's very nice. So that's obviously going to cross. We'll wait for that. Remember guys, normally inside the hour it will be there. It can take as long as 3 hours. So we've got that 45 in our crypto wallets essentially. So let's take a look at what we have here. So obviously this was a package that I got for 300. It's 270 I've been paid out so far. So a couple more days and I'll have my 300 back. Now you need to bear in mind, this 300 that I put for this package is house money anyway. So I had already made this 300 from this package. I started off with 250, then I put 300, and this is another 300. So I'm using house money. So this 300 that I invested, I'd already made profit from this platform. So everything I receive here on in is profit. And that's what you want to do with these projects, guys. You want to get in, get out, and just start eking out as much as you can from the platform itself. Now, if we take a look at deposits, how to deposit, or better yet, invest is what you want when it comes to depositing. You just click invest, click the cryptocurrency that you're looking to use. I use Tether. Stick in the amount you want to use, you want to invest. So if it's 100, you know you're going to get 150 after 30 days. So you get an extra $50 US after 30 days. So the first 20 days, you're going to get your 100, and then the next 10 days, you'll get 50. So remember guys, you're always drawing down on your capital in this platform. So it's not a situation where you get your 100 at the end of the 30 days. Every day, you're getting part of your 100, and you're receiving 5% every day. So that is brilliant. So here are the packages that I've gone in with, obviously, like I said, 250, 300, and another 300. So all that is good. Now, so this was just a quick withdrawal of another platform that's killing it. So in the last 7 to 8 days, I've made $100 US. Nice $100 US a week. Who can say no to that? Now guys, like, subscribe, support the channel. If you want to get involved, there is a link in the description. Check out the platform. It's been running for a while. Sign up for free and invest. Try it out, test it out with 10 USDT. 10 USDT, that'll be 15 USDT after 30 days. So test it out, see if you like it. Remember, use risk capital at all times, guys. Take this like gambling, betting. Make sure you have it that way in your mind. And on that note, guys, I am outro. See you on the next video.